What's the meaning of abstract? Abstract. 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 The word abstract has several meanings, but in general, it refers to something that is not concrete or specific. It can be used to describe ideas, concepts, or art that are not based on any particular object or example. Abstract art, for example, is often characterized by its use of shapes, colors, and lines to create a mood or atmosphere, rather than to represent a specific scene or object. Abstract ideas, on the other hand, are those that cannot be easily defined or described in concrete terms. For example, the concept of love is abstract because it is a feeling that cannot be easily measured or quantified. Briefly, the meaning of abstract is greater than, not concrete or specific, existing as an idea or concept, rather than as a physical object.